Hey everybody, it's a little cold. I should put a coat on or a hoodie or something. But I'm gonna show you how to do something today that I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of biased. Like, I know how to do a lot of stuff on cars, so I assume everybody else does. But when I was working in the shop or at the parts store, a lot of people would come in and buy washer fluid. And they'd say, hey, can you show me how to put this in my car? I don't know how. So I'm gonna make you a video today on how to put washer fluid in your car. Sorry, there was an Amber Alert on my phone, sorry. So a lot of people would say, hey, how do I put washer fluid in my car? We're gonna do this on Mindy's 2012 Civic. You saw in our last video, we put new wipers on it. But this will be the same for about 99% of cars on the road. Almost every car on the road, car, truck, van, truck, car, the washer fluid is under the hood. So the first thing I do is pop your hood. If I'm not mistaken, on Evos and STIs, it's in the trunk, but that's because they use them for intercooler sprayers. Somebody correct me. I'm pretty sure that the Evo's in the trunk. The first thing you'll do is you'll pop your hood. Okay, put your support up. Do the Civic trick. So now you need to locate where it's at. It is normally going to be in a corner by the fender. Like, I think in the queue it's right here, but it's right here. Look for this logo. It's a wash, literally windshield with washer. Okay, you will pop it up. Some of them have this strap or a tube that keeps them attached. Some of them it is attached to the thing itself. Just fold it over, pull it up a little bit, keep it out of the way. When you get the jug, it will have a seal in it. You just pop the seal open, and then you just literally, like this, just pour it in nice and slow. And you can actually hear it going in. You'll hear it start getting full, and that's all there is to it. You put this back down, make sure it snaps, boom, put your lid back on, and you just put washer fluid in your car. I will tell you this, the reason you go slow, this is really narrow right here, and it goes down in behind the fender of the bumper, and it gets big. So as it fills up and gets to the top, it will fill up very fast, and then it will overflow. So, but that's all that is. The hardest part of this is finding out where it's at. Like I said, it's normally down in this area somewhere. I have seen cars where it's like up here. Most of them it's down here or over here. And like I said, it's normally got the filler hole here, and it goes down behind the bumper or behind the fender. It's normally pretty big. But that's just something else you can do on your own car.